from the roots of the Burenitu tribe. I stand as a son of the Mataqali Nauabale. From the Tokatoka of Sigani, my heritage flows like the rivers of Serua to the sea. This is the foundation of the man I am, and the love I offer to those I hold dear.
Emma, my beloved wife, a beautiful lady from Raiwaqa, in the province of Nadroga. You shine upon me like the morning sun. Your eyes reflect the daylight. Your smile is as steady as a rock. A woman of such gentle grace, my partner for all of time. Leia manungu daulomani, natina niluvengu dina. Alesi Salakula, Kinisimere Ratu. Rauna nongu Senikau Ni Bula. Vuvale Namino and Rocks. Saki ni venga una nongu Vuvale Namino. Alesi Salakula, my little ray of light. Your laughter fills every corner of our home. Kinisimere Ratu, my precious little lady. Your smile is like a song of pure joy. The two of you are my greatest gifts, sent down from the Lord above. When I look into your faces, my heart overflows with gratitude. I am Viliame Namino from Nakorovou, in the province of Serua, of the Burenitu, the Mataqali Nauabale, and the Tokatoka of Sigani. I take Emma by the hand, that we may walk together every day. From Raiwaqa to Nakorovou, one soul, one heart, one love. Our family is bound tight in faith and in truth. Leli manungu daulomani, natina niluvengu dina. Alesi Salakula, Kinisimere Ratu. Rauna nongu Senikau Ni Bula. Vuvale Namino ni uasiviti ena loloma. Nongu saki ni venga una. Nongu Vuvale Namino. From the hills of the west to the Serua shore, our names are written in the palm of his hand. Emma, Alesi and Kinisimere. My life, my pride, my everything. Under the stars of our home, we are one. Vuana kalomi atovana mate. To God be the glory until day.